Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials on Microsoft PowerPoint. In the previous lecture tutorials we discussed on the components of the Microsoft Word and we delved into the practical aspect of it. Now we are going to do the same in this Microsoft PowerPoint, and I'm going to use an instructional material to explain some of the components of the Microsoft PowerPoint for you to get acquainted and understand the basic concepts and components of Microsoft PowerPoint. I am Daniel Obwenyi and I welcome you to today's tutorial on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. As you can see, this is a Microsoft PowerPoint instructional material I'm going to use for today's tutorial. On this instructional material, you see number 1 to 6. The first one is the File tab, and this is the diagram of the Microsoft PowerPoint slide, numbered from 1 to 6, the key components which I want to explain to you during this tutorials. In this version is the 2013 Microsoft PowerPoint, but in the version of the Windows to be used for the practical, the version is 2007, and that is why you will not see the File tab in this version. Okay, there is no File tab in this version. And in the previous tutorials on the Microsoft Word, I told you about the tabs, the groups, and the ribbon. These are the tabs: the Home tab, Insert, Design, Animation, Slideshow, Review, View, and Format. All these are tabs, and in each tab there are groups: the clipboard, the slide, the font, paragraph, drawing, editing are the groups in the Home tab. The Insert has the table, instruction, links, text, media, okay, where you can insert anything you want on your slide. This is the Design, okay, it has the page setup, the theme, group, the background group. So all these are used to design your current slide. These are animation, the groups in it are the animation, the transition slide, so it's left for you to choose the one you want on your slide. You now have the slideshow. Under it you have the start slideshow, the setup, the monitor. So all these things here are the groups, while the slideshow is the tab, review is the tab, this the tab, format the tab, and they have their various functions. This is the save, this is the undo and the redo, this is the customize quick access toolbar, okay. Then here is the Microsoft PowerPoint title bar, while here is the status bar that displays the number of slides and then some other information, the zoom, okay. So we'll continue with our discussion. The ribbon. Now this number 2 is the ribbon. What is it all about? The ribbon shows that everything here, the tabs and the groups, are in the ribbon. So you can see it here, the tools to create and edit your presentation, which I have explained earlier. These are in the ribbon. All these tabs and their groups are in the ribbon, okay. They are used to create your Microsoft PowerPoint. have the film strip, the third one, the film strip, and the current slide. Okay, let's see it here. See it here, the film strip. You can add, okay, on and on and on. It will show on the film strip. Then, like this one that has the U, that I typed the U earlier, it's here. It's the current slide. Number 2 here becomes the current slide. Number 3 here becomes the current slide. Let me go back to 1, becomes the current slide. And I can edit, type and edit. The Lord is good. The Lord is good all the time. Okay, so this is the current slide, and you can see it on the film strip here. Okay, let's continue. You have the speaker notes and the presentation views, the 5 and 6 here. Okay, let's check on the presentation view. What I have typed here, the Lord is good all the time, I want to view it in the presentation view or the slideshow. You can see beneath the mouse here, you see the mouse arrow, you see the slideshow. Either it is the presentation view or the slideshow. So if I click it, see what happens. Are you seeing it? It gives you another display entirely. Okay, so if you want to go back to the previous windows of the Microsoft PowerPoint, you just press the escape key on the keyboard. Escape key is the ESC key. You will see it. If you press it on your keyboard, it takes you back to your normal Windows, Microsoft PowerPoint Windows. Okay, so like I said, this is the status bar, and all these are shown. Number of slides, you have 3 on the strip. It is here. The first one is what we are. That's why it's showing you 1 of 3. Okay, and this is the zoom. You can zoom in and zoom out, adjust it to the size you want, for that will be convenient for you in designing your or creating your PowerPoint. Then this is the slide bar. This is the slide bar. Okay, then this next slide. Are you seeing number 2 here? Number 2. If I click it again, it takes me to the number 3, the third slide. If I go up, previous slide. So I want you to like this page and subscribe on this YouTube, share it, and I hope you enjoyed today's presentation, Microsoft presentation tutorials. And in the next tutorials, we are going to do the practical aspect of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Today is just this particular tutorials today is just on the components of the PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I remain Daniel Obey.